Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Honda HR-V. First, gather your tools like a 17mm wrench, an oil drain pan, a jack and jack stands. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and run the engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, which helps it drain more easily. Then, turn the engine off and open the hood. Now, safely lift the front of your HR-V using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Next, you will need to remove the under panel, which is typically held by several Phillips head and flathead screws. Once the panel is off, position your oil drain pan directly beneath the engine's oil drain plug. Carefully remove the drain plug with your 17mm wrench, allowing the old oil to drain completely. Remember, the oil will be hot, so exercise caution. After the oil has fully drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Next, locate the oil filter on the passenger side of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, making sure the old rubber gasket comes off with it. Apply a thin layer of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. With the new filter installed and the drain plug secured, you can now lower your vehicle. Remove the oil filler cap and carefully pour in 4.4 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic engine oil. Replace the filler cap, start the engine, and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Finally, turn off the engine, wait 3 minutes, and check the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.